not going in the house.
This is the snowdrift on our road.
Are you taking a video of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we wait for Bill. Bill could get that fucking plow going and just push right through there in one shot.
This is the snowdrift right in front of the Bronco. That's Eric. That's the snowdrift next to the house.
There's a bigger one over here.
And here's all the kids' toys in a snowdrift. And there's the Cavalier. It was covered with snow, but most of it's melted now.
Look at this, Melissa.
And he's still trying to plow.
Oh my God, snowmobile going.